Hello, I am Elena Nestor, and I will be presenting to you the Genomic Data Chessboard, US-China Game for Data Control, as the Director of National Intelligence. Before we begin, I would like to address what is a genomic database. So a genomic database is a collection of genetic information, and there's many different pieces and parts to this, such as DNA sequences, RNA sequences, protein sequences, gene functions, gene variations, and gene expressions are some of the more common areas found on a genomic database. Now you're probably wondering, why is genomic data important? Well, as human beings, we have two sets of 23 pairs of chromosomes, and that's our DNA. That's what we're born with. We have it forever. Everybody is very unique. And that makes this genetic information very crucial because you only get one copy, one set. That's it. So medical advancements, it's very crucial because genetics can have mutations and cause diseases, and stuff happens. This also is important for understanding how DNA works. It deals with personalized medicine for some disease preventions. It involves some evolutionary insights, and some databases are not all human, but some are for plants, and it can be beneficial in the agricultural area. And biodiversity conservation is a huge idea from genomic data as well. Executive summary. It is time to face the conflict between China and the United States of America when fighting for genomic database control. This dilemma poses a threat to the scientific community in future advancements. It is urgent to create a diplomatic policy to collaborate with China in database sharing and genomic research. Let us tackle this by crafting a balanced approach to maximizing potential life-saving knowledge and minimize security risk for humankind. Through scientific collaboration, secure genomic databases, avoid a biotechnology war, find ways to improve health, prevent diseases, create new medicines to treat illnesses, and minimize security leaks. The context or scope of foreign policy issue is crucial when it comes to genomic databases because it is the 21st century and now is the time biotechnology is taking over the world. China's stance on genomic databases. China has solid security measures that are tight and secure. China also collects DNA from their citizens, and sometimes fingerprints, blood types, and iris scans are also collected. China is known to be one of the safest countries in the world because of all these high security measures. However, China has stolen legal and illegal US information when it comes to genomic databases. Here's some more background on China genomic databases. So in about 2015-2016, they invested $9 billion for further genomic advancement in medicine. And here's just a whole list of some of their famous genomic database companies. So they have BGI Genomic, Beijing, Berry Genomics, Anaro Genomics, Cloud Health Genomics, Novagene, Wuxi Nextcode, and China National Gene Bank. On the other hand, USA Genomic Database stands currently, there is no law with any kind of security, and in 2022 to 2023 there were 427 data breaches in the health sector, and this is just unacceptable for the US. The field of genomics in the US, as previously mentioned, is very new and up and coming. From the data chart below, we can see that the US genomics market in 2023 had the value of $12 billion, and it has a 16.9% growth in the market, which is a pretty big number. And the economy made $265 billion in 2019 in this field, which also contributed to 850,000 jobs. So overall, America wants to be great again in biotechnology field, and this is a way to do that. The U.S. goal for genomic databases is 1. To strengthen scientific collaboration with China, 2. To form a powerhouse in biotechnology with China, and 3. To protect genetic data from hackers from other countries. The suggested policy recommendations is to create the Secure Genome Linked Act. This would increase security level of American genomic databases. This would encourage scientific collaboration with China, and this would create a transparent council between China and U.S. biotech companies to work together. In conclusion, the U.S. must add security to our genomic databases. U.S.-China collaboration would be a powerhouse for improving humankind health, and genomic collaboration is beneficial economically